Hello friends, this is Dr. Bhavdeep Ahuja here. I hope you're liking my videos on my YouTube channel. Today's topic of short video is about punishment to the staff. Should it be given, if at all, if it is to be given or not to be given? If it is to be given, how it should be given, and which way should it be given? All those things. We'll take up this in today's short video. What I believe that staff is actually uh, the irreparable or irreplaceable part of a dentist's life. I believe that the staff is dentist's right hand and the lab is dentist's left hand. Without these two hands or arms, the dentist is actually handicapped. And staff plays a very important role in actually managing you, yourself, and your clinic, and of course, the patient OPD. Many a times we actually have this notion that staff can be like a disposable thing. एक जाएगा दूसरा आएगा, no problem, we can train anyone in 2 months. Trust me, good trained staff is very hard to find. I myself lost two well trained staff members in COVID era, in immediate post COVID era, and trust me, it was a big loss for me in that sense. Now, coming to whether the staff should be punished or not. What I believe that yes, every mistake should be accountable, but on the contrary, every good act should also be acknowledged. Whether it was a good history taking, whether it was a good instruction part, whether it was an active role in patient conversion, if it was consulted behind your back, if you had, say, detailed the staff to do so accordingly, that should be acknowledged, and every mistake should be also accounted for. What actually differs here is that the reward should be shared in open and the punishment should be shared in the closet. What I mean to say is that if you have your spouse working, you have other staff members also working, if a staff performs well, surely that should be made known to everyone around. But when you have to reprimand the staff, never ever do in front of the patient, not even front of other staff members if you have multiple staff, especially never in front of your spouse as well. Always do the beating or the reprimanding part in the four walls of your chamber where only you and staff are there. And trust me, bada ho chota ho, rich or poor, everyone has an ego and every ego gets hurt. So you need to realize that if you're doing it in open, the staff might react in a bad manner. They might sometimes listen to your insult, so-called insult, in that period, but surely it can have ill effects also sometimes. So you need to remember this thing, that they should be made to explain this thing. I've seen a few colleagues doing it, especially to show their bossiness or dominance in front of the patients as well. What they will do is, if a staff commits mistake, they'll shout, ये क्या कर रहे हो, तुम्हें कितनी बार बताया है, एक बारी में समझ नहीं आता तुम्हें. This is the way, this is the tone sometimes which is used, especially in front of the patient. We want to show that we know everything, our staff knows nothing. You are actually degrading your own self. You are degrading your own practice. You're degrading your own system of working. So you need to understand that what value would the patient carry back for your clinic. Okay, their staff is ill trained, the doctor may be talking nicely to me, but he has less empathy for the lesser privileged of the society. He doesn't mince words in actually calling a spade may be right in certain perspective, but otherwise wrong. So we need to realize that this thing is not to be done. It should actually be a well-trained staff actually understands your eye language also, because we are mostly covered from our nose down. Obviously in COVID or no, not COVID era, we are all in the mask. The staff, a well-trained one, usually understands your eyes language also, if he's a well guided one. And trust me, if at all the staff commits a mistake, you don't need to explain those things in front of the patient or in front of other staff members. Remember not to hurt a ego, because this will hurt you and your clinic scenario in the longer run. If you actually reward an employee, it'll make your clinic grow more. But actually reprimand an employee, it'll make your clinic depreciate. At this point, colleagues usually ask me a question, sir, अगर ऐसे staff को नहीं डांटेंगे तो staff बिगड़ नहीं जाएगा? Have regular staff meetings, have your say round of checkups where you actually make it a point to check, have a checklist that what needs to be done, what was done, and what was the deficiency. You need to spend some time. So that is where you need to understand that you have to get out of this closet of only treating patients in the day. We have so many other jobs other than that, and if you run the clinic with the 3 E's efficiently, effectively, and efficaciously, you will have to find time for the other 3 E's. So I hope my video helps you in managing your staff a little bit better from today. So thank you so much. Keep watching my channel. Please spread the word. Please tell your colleagues to subscribe to the channel. This is actually my payback to the society. It is not for any other purpose but giving back to the society. There are a lot of webinars lined up from 2nd of May onwards on different varied topics never taken up in dentistry before, and you all can get benefit of those only if you're subscribed of the channel and you get to know which videos are being uploaded when. So thank you so much. Take care. Have a great day.